What a smell. Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Fabio Gratelli with Play It Nice, and today we're gonna make a beautiful lasagna dish. The right lasagna alla bolognese with homemade pasta. So if you wanna know how to make homemade pasta, make sure to watch this video. We are at the open space. It's raining in Washington, like every day. And if you're watching our videos and liking our videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Put a like, please like the videos, because that helps us grow a lot. And click the bell, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. Thank you very much. Let's start. For the pasta we need 3 eggs, 300 grams of flour. So every egg, 100 grams of flour. That's important. So we're making only a demonstration here. I already made the pasta, and so I'm making 300 grams. But every egg is 100 grams. Remember that. Simple. So crack the eggs like that, a little bit better. Let's do it with 2 hands. Not like an idiot like me. And that's it. Now, pay attention to the shelf. If there are inside, I put one in to show off, and another one, so you can cut this. Pinch of salt in there. Salt. Salt is important, guys. It's really important. You can add even olive oil, but I don't like to. So if you use flour 00, it's better. We are using flour 00, but you can use a whole purpose flour, and you will have a good result. So pay attention to don't break the margins, and start whisking the eggs, mixing the eggs really good. And slowly incorporate the flour in. So like this with the fork, you see? Incorporate the flour slowly. Here we go, like that. See how beautiful? It's already starting to dance without breaking the margins. That's important, guys. So whisk with the fork. What is more simple to make some homemade pasta, guys? Nothing. And now we can start to incorporate all the flour, because we have a denser dough. So at this point, when we have this consistency, we start to whisk all the flour, and the excess flour we put on the side, like on the front, so we can incorporate if we need it. Because depend on the humidity of the hair, on a lot of factors, how much flour the dough needs. At this point, we can start to knead with the hands and with this. So like this. So guys, after 10-20 minutes you are kneading, you have a result like this, a really smooth pasta, not sticky, not much sticky. And put it in plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes in plastic wrap on the table. And this is important, so the pasta will work, you can work the pasta easier. With this type of dough, you can do all the pasta shapes you want. In this case, we made sheets for lasagna, and I already did it yesterday, so I already did it before the video. So this was a demonstration on how to make the pasta dough. So this is the result. Let's start to make lasagna. For the bechamel, we need 100 grams of butter or a stick. Let it melt. And the equal amount is of flour. So don't make cook the butter. Don't make bubble it. It'll be really slow. When it's all melted, we will add 100 grams of flour, and we will make our roux. We'll add our flour, and this will create a roux. This is the base of every white sauce. We make it cook and whisk to don't create grooves, like that. And then, because we want a white bechamel, we don't want a dark bechamel, we don't cook the flour too much. More you let it cook, and more you will have a darker roux. Depends on the sauce you're making. If you're making a stock, a beef stock, you need a browner roux, okay? But for this case, we need a white roux, bechamel. So let's add the milk. hot milk will be better. And then we whisk. We add salt, good amount, pepper, better white, and then we add a good nutmeg. I don't have it, but I'm adding this already grounded nutmeg, but I prefer a lot more the real nutmeg. So we bring it to boil while we're whisking, and this will create our base. Then on the side, we already made the bolognese sauce. Go to check out, I will put in the link here somewhere on the screen to go to check it out. Previous video, the bolognese sauce, so you can go to check that out, make it, and then you can make the lasagna with this. You see how creamy it's coming? Look, wow, it's beautiful. We have our roux. What a cream. This is the perfect bechamel. Let's try it. At this point, we are done with this. This is the bolognese. I like to do something when I want to go faster. I like to mix the bolognese with the bechamel. So let's mix it together like this. Bolognese sauce in the previous video, link up and in the description. And then we whisk and we create a rosé cream. You see? Let's try it. Wow. Wow. Delicious. Wow. Let's make the lasagna. So for the lasagna, we need pasta sheets. This is the result. Then you can do it thinner, thicker, whatever you like more. The mozzarella. Then we have our bechamel mixed with the bolognese sauce. We have our parmesan, and we have our baking sheet. Let's start and let's assemble this beauty. Start adding a layer of sauce, like that. And in this case, we have a homemade sheet, pasta sheet. So we will put it dry inside the lasagna. But if you have a dry sheet you bought at the store, you want to make sure to cook that sheet at least for half time of the cooking process, or the lasagna will result really dry. So let's cut this of the length of the baking sheet. And let's start building our layers like that. Then we put the other sauce in there like that. And then we spread it around. Wow, this is a beauty, like guys, this is a beauty. This will be delicious. Then we had our mozzarella. And then we do another layer. We want a little bit more extra sauce because how I said is a dry pasta. So the sauce, the liquids will be absorbed from the pasta and permit the pasta to cook. All right. And then on top we will put a bunch of mozzarella. At this point, add parmesan. Parmesan cheese everywhere. Beautiful. Guys, here we go. We did the lasagna. The lasagna is ready. The only thing to do, bake it at 375 degrees for 45 minutes. And then I advise you after that to give a kick on the broil so we'll have a crispy crust everybody loves on the top. All right, so see you in 45 minutes. What a beauty. What a smell. Wow, wow. Listen here, guys. This beautiful crust. Play the nice, dude. So crispy. Let's try it, guys. Smell delicious. Wow, wow. It's incredible. Put a little bit of olive oil. Guys, so this was the lasagna. like we make it in Italy. This is a lasagna alla bolognese. I showed you how to make fresh pasta. I showed you how to make bechamel. In the last video, I showed you how to make bolognese sauce. So I put here, up here, the link, or in the description, up here or in the description, the link to go to check out the bolognese sauce. And while you have everything together, you can make this beauty. Try to make it at home. Let me know in the comments how you make your lasagna. If you want to, you can tag me on your story on Instagram, and I can post it on I can add it on my stories. Follow us, subscribe to our channel, put a like, click the bell for the notifications. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much. Love you. And buon appetito. Play it nice, dude.